Routine maintenance from Hanford Heating and Air Conditioning can save you money. We specialize in complete HVAC sales and service, as well as rapid response, quality installations, and reasonable rates. Our team has the tools and the talent to handle all your heating or air conditioning needs, and you can save time and money on unexpected, costly repairs with one of our affordable service contracts. Want to get your heating and air conditioning systems running the way they should? Then call Hanford Heating and Air Conditioning today.